OJ sleeping. Oh, he woke up.
I said I was late.
Oh, is that the water over there? With the railroad track going right along it?
Come further.
Is that the water over there? Look, all the cars parked there. Must be a beach.
U-turn, Daddy. No U-turn.
Oh, you turn allowed. We're stuck. We gotta go. Look at the house up there. The ocean view.
Yeah.
5 million right there.
That's
It's amazing. It has a view of the beach.
the beach, Daddy. Up there, Daddy. That's the beach.
That's the beach.
Yeah, you turn there to the beach. That beach is going. Got the beach was over there, Daddy.
Look, Daddy RJ.
Beach Road. I don't know what beach this is, you know?
You told us over there, Daddy. You told us over there.
There's the beach.
That why you told
We're here. The sun's going down. This is it.
So windy, my God.
Is it windy? There's no beach, no sand. Have no sand, OJ have no shoes.
Here.
Okay, let's park next to the man.
There we go. What's there, honey?
Railroad track. Railroad track station.
Sa
That's it.
class.
It's the station. Stop here.
Ah,
There's the ocean.
there's
Where's the pier?
I don't know.
Oh, there's a fence there. You can't go out on it. Is there a bridge there?
It's slipper. I got my slipper, Mom.
Big, the waves. Look at that waves so big. What's this honey name?
This is was San Clemente Beach. Now it's Capistrano Beach.
Capistrano Beach.
Heading back to Mission Viejo, about 8 miles north.